Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to welcome you. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are going to make 2 crate organizers that hang on the wall, and you can use them for any type of display that you choose. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. So we are going to take these wood crates out to spray them. We will do the process off camera for time's sake, and we will come back to complete the second process. Now that the crates are sprayed white, or you can spray them any color of your choice, we will put the hooks onto the back so that it can hang onto the wall. So we are hooking the back with some screws, and we will apply it to the wall.
These are the wall crates that was made, and now we're just going to decorate it. And I left a little space. You can space it however way you want. If you want to put it together closer, you can, but you can distance it a little further. So it all depends on how you want it. Yes, I did hang them on the wall. If you choose to just use it on a wall, then it looks nice too. So now this is what I'm going to do. I chose to put something to leave it spacey because I wanted to put something else in here. So I'm just going to put this tray here. I'm going to place a simple candle. I purchased these particular little perfume containers from Marshall's, and I paid $2.99. It's really pretty. It has real crystals with the little crystal chips. So here's another little candle that I purchased from Marshall's, and it smells so good. Now I'm going down to the last shelf. Now I'll be decorating the second crate. This is a candle holder. I purchased this at Burlington. This is a little flower. I purchased this at Ross. And it's a little candle that's inside. I got these at Pier 1. They were on clearance. And they were $1.99. Now with the crates, they really come handy. They're nice little spaces. You don't have to dress it up like this. You can use it for your towels, your toiletries, your soaps. You can put it behind the toilet, or you can put it on your wall. You can have it on the side of your bathtub, or your shampoos, perfumes, if you wanted to do that, whatever that you choose. There's so many uses and stuff that you can use this for. If you have a bathroom where you need the space, these are nice ideals. This was a bamboo tray, spray painted it white. I did it off camera to give it the rustic look. Spray paint, let it dry, and then sand over it. This is how it turned out. So this is what I'll be doing a home decor with. Also, I'll be doing a home decor with this round glass container and the pail. These are different soaps that I have. So I'm putting the soaps in with bath bombs. So I have the bath bombs here and soaps and the towels. And on this side, I put 3 of the towels, put it together, and made a little bow. And this is where they go. And this is the first crate. I put a tray in the middle, a wooden tray in the middle, and this is the other crate. Then a little bowl in the middle, a ceramic bowl, and put soaps, different soaps in here. Some are just your bath bars. Smells so good. So I have that, and I just wanted to put it in here. And then I put all of your things that you would need. It's just a little ideal on what you can do with your crates and kind of, blend it all together. All right, so these are the towels that I did. I did the tray, rustic, sprayed it, then went over it, made it kind of rustic. Also, here's the glass tray that I did here. I did towels here. And these are the decorative soaps that I have. I have different ones. Some are perfume soaps. So I have that, and I have different ones. Sponge bath. Here's also the face towels. I did the bath bombs in here, along with some more little face towels. This is a washcloth. Also in the bucket here, I have 2 of the face towels, and this is the foot scrub. Also, these are the face sponge, very soft, and like a loofah. And this one here, this is also another form of a loofah, but it's a body loofah. And then I have the 2 towels here, and again, the 2 face towels. This is also in the pail. The crate. These are the roses that I have just put the flowers in. The mason jars here. And I have the Q-tips in this glass container. Also this here, it's another little storage compartment that I have that I picked up. And then these are my little perfume, crystal perfume. It has the crystal tops. Also the candles and the tray, the wooden tray, the plant, and this is a candle holder, and I have a round candle inside. So this is today's project. I just wanted to bring the bathroom decor to you, something that you can do and something that you can make with these crates. They're beautiful, they're nice to have. You can do it. It saves a lot of space in your bathroom. This is it for today.
So this does complete our project for today, and we hope this tutorial brought you many different ways to use a crate. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.